Your joy is here, so release a laugh or a smile. Can't understand where this peace comes from. It's divine and a sign that He is increasing and providing. The Spirit knows, give Him your pain and tears. Tell Him all about your troubles. Into the Almighty, into your situation. Let the light of your face shine on us. Fill my heart with joy, and in peace I will lie down and sleep. For you alone, Lord, make me dwell